Hello guys, it's Mike Strong, M&L Automotive Lock and Key Services in West Sussex. Just want to show you we've just been carrying out some further upgrades on the security of our transit. Just some more modifications. What we've done just now is we've actually installed a hardwired PIR sensor into the van, and that is connected to the vehicle's security system. You can see the red light flashing away if we move in the PIR sensor. So the load area of the vehicle is really unprotected. The only way that it's going to trigger the alarm is if a thief actually breaks into the van and physically opens one of the doors. There's no ultrasonics, there's no protection that would detect if somebody's cut a hole in the van, or if they've cut a hole in the roof, or if they're trying to peel the doors down. So what we've done is we fitted the compact mini PIR. It's hardwired, so it's always going to be switched on. It's not got any batteries in it or anything like that, and it's actually wired into the vehicle's alarm system. So what we can do is, if we latch the back door shut and then we can lock it, the van now thinks that the back door's shut. The pin switch for the mechanism is actually in the door mechanism. So we'd latch that shut, the van thinks it's all locked up, and then if we didn't give that quite long enough to activate, but we'll just leave that for 30 seconds, let the alarm trigger. What we've also fitted with this as well is we've got a high visibility LED indicator in the cab there. So if we go back to this door here, we can open the door slightly, and there goes our alarm. So that will detect if anyone breaks into the van by cutting a hole in it, bending the door down. That'll pick that up. What we've also installed is, although this vehicle does have a factory fitted category 1 alarm from Ford, for some reason they haven't fitted a high visibility warning indicator. So we've also installed quite a bright blue flashing LED, and simply when we put the key in the ignition and turn the ignition on, you can see the LED indicator goes out. What we've also done is we've also connected the PIR sensor in the rear to the same circuit. So when you turn the ignition on, the LED goes out, and also the PIR sensor is switched off in the back, and that just stops false triggers while you're driving along. If something moves in the back, or you know, what we don't want is we're getting warnings on the dashboard saying doors are open or whatnot. So as I say, when we turn the ignition on, that light goes off. So right now the PIR in the back will be disconnected as well. There's no power to that. So we can drive the van. We're not going to get any warnings on the dash. Everything's going to be hunky-dory. And then if we turn it off, as I say, our LED starts flashing and our PIR will now be powered up in the back. So if you're interested in getting additional security to your vehicle, we do tend to specialise in commercial vehicles, and certainly Ford Transits and Transit Customs. You can get in touch with us. M&L Automotive Lock and Key Services in West Sussex. Thanks for watching.